Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Golden Rabbit. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And if you're just coming back, well, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be building a nice house. I'm going to get some wood here. I'm going to certainly here need a door. Let's see what else I'm going to need, guys. I might need a bed too, guys. Maybe some lanterns too, because you need some light in your house. I'm gonna do the original Minecraft red bed, and I'm gonna get like a light, so I think I can get like I know these blocks here light up your house, so I'll get one of those blocks of gold, and I'll get a torch. Also, I was thinking to get a nice fireplace for outside, and then I want the floor to be like a nice color, so I'm thinking like maybe some stone. Or no, I'll get like a diamond floor. Okay, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off this by doing a nice I'll say 10 by 10, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm gonna do 10 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's good, guys. And all I really have to do here is match it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cow's in my way. Hey cow, I'm building a house. Okay, so I'm just gonna meet this up over here now. You guys can keep going. And I'm just gonna connect this part here. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna start laying my floor, guys. So my floor is gonna be diamond. So we're gonna lay that down. Let's make a nice foundation, guys. In real life, if you had a golden floor or diamond floor, that would cost a lot. But hey, we're making it in Minecraft, so might as well experiment. Anyways, so like this diamond floor would probably be like worth, I don't know, I would say probably like $10-20 million just for a little 10 by 10 like shack. It's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna be mining up all this dirt here, so let's just get rid of all this dirt. So what I like doing, just like I like just picking away at it, just get rid of everything. I like to start fresh. Okay, almost there, guys. And remember, guys, this is like a small house in Minecraft, but you can scale it up like way bigger. But I'm just showing you like the basics, like the very, very basics. So don't be afraid to build like a 20 by 20 or 100 by 100. Just be creative, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna jump up a little bit. I'm gonna do overhead view. That's my house there. Now I'm just gonna start laying diamonds. So let's get into it. I'm gonna try to do it quick as I can, to be honest. Okay, there we go. Nice. I'm gonna lay this down here. It's so quick in Minecraft to build something, but then in real life you think it's gonna be like Minecraft, but it's not really like Minecraft. It's kind of funny like that, It's like it's easy just to build it on like a game, and then in real life, there's things that always go like go sideways. There's always a problem. Like you lay that tile crooked, and then you have to like tear up all the tiles because there's just that one tile. Or like the grout, it was like the wrong color, so now you have to regrout the floor. Just in Minecraft, like it makes it really easy for you. So there's like a mistake, you can just pretty much get rid of it and just redo. So anyways, we're almost there, guys. Like what did that take, like 1 minute just to lay down like my my floor. Like, it's crazy. And remember, this is diamond floor, so it's premium. Okay, so now I'm gonna lay out actually like a grand entrance walkway. So 1, 2. So I'm gonna do 3, and I'm gonna make it probably like a nice strip wide. So there we go. We got the base there. I'm just gonna keep going out, guys. Maybe up until there. I'm gonna do the same over here, guys. Just mine all that dirt out of the way. Nice straight line, guys. And clear this to make it even. And we are good, guys. Okay, let's just clear that block there. Okay, nice. I'm gonna start laying some blocks down. Some diamond blocks, guys. Remember that. These are like top premium grade. So I'm thinking like in real life, a real diamond block like this would probably be like, I would say maybe like 50 grand. That's crazy. Okay, let's keep laying them down. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the doors. So I'm just gonna place the doors right in front of the entrance. So 1, 2, let's do 3. That looks kind of odd, but anyways, let's do it that way because I got 3 blocks, 3 doors. So it's a big house, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with my blocks, guys. What I'm doing now is just covering 1 block around the perimeter, and I'm just going around with the wood, just trying to cover it up just to make the walls. So this is like 1 block wall pretty much. You know, I could do like some 2 block or 3 block wall for like better like insulation for the colder seasons in Minecraft, but you know, I'm not gonna get into that right now because right now it's nice and sunny. It's 24 degrees. Yeah, we don't have to worry about anything, like no snow right now, so we are good, guys. Let's just build up these blocks. Okay, nice. I'm gonna put an extra block there just to bring it over, guys, the door. You see I opened 1 door up, that's okay. So we're just gonna keep laying these blocks out. Okay, nice. And remember, guys, when you build a roof, you might want to put 1 more block up, because I'll show you here. You can put a block, but then the roof is going to be very small inside. But if you put 1 more block up here, you're going to have a little more head space so you can walk around. You don't want the block to be right over you like that. So make sure just to put 1 up like that so it looks good. So I'm going to get back up here. I'm going to start laying. Guys, remember to use a ladder, you know, try not to fall. This is very dangerous in real life. Don't climb on things. But anyways, I'm getting there. Now I'm flying, so that's good. Imagine you can just fly in real life. You can get a lot of stuff done, you know. You can probably go up like to your roof and, you know, just put down the shingles very easy, or you can like just like paint like in that weird spot like in your house that is like very high and you need like a ladder, and like no one really wants to paint that spot because it's just too hard to get at. So that'll be like a cool kind of power. So anyways, I'm just gonna keep laying these blocks down, guys. Just block after block, guys. You know what they say, like Rome wasn't built in a day. So I'm just gonna quickly lay all these blocks down, and yeah, it's almost there, guys. I'm just laying them block by block. Okay, we're down to the last final blocks, guys. This is crazy. This house is gonna be like called the diamond floor house. Or like the diamond cabin. That would be pretty cool. So I'm almost done here, guys. Now I got the roof. The roof's gonna be pretty simple. You just keep blocking it, but you're gonna get to a point where there's 1 final block left, and that final block would be like the last block. So you have two things you can do. You can stand on the roof and block it in, or you can block it in from you inside the house. But if you're on the roof and you have that last final block, you're gonna have to jump off the roof, or you're gonna be inside and then you block it off. So what I usually like doing, guys, is I like to like go inside and then just block it off. So like, I'll show you what I mean, guys, but you can do it anyway, guys, to be honest. So we're almost here, guys. Just keep blocking this, and it's like bedtime, guys. I should really be sleeping because it's too dark, so I need to put my bed down, guys, inside this little house of mine here. Let me show you guys. Let me pop down here. Oh. Yeah, so I'm down now. So I'm gonna block it all. I'm gonna close it off. Nice. We got the blocks going there. Okay, oh, we got like a skeleton in the house. Anyways, it's okay. We're all good. I'm gonna put a little ball here so he can't get me. I'll build my room. Oh, he's going out. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna lock the door. It's good. I'm gonna put my bed down, guys. And the bed I'm thinking right here. Put it right there, guys. Let's get rid of that. Let's lay down the bed. Nice. And I'm just gonna go to sleep, guys. So anyways, we're gonna be building a little more on the next day. Okay, morning time. Okay, I just have to finish the interior, guys, for you. So what else? I'm gonna put like maybe some lanterns, some lights, guys. I'm gonna put all around the perimeter, I would say, of my cabin. Of course, these ones are like fake lights. They're not gonna burn down my cabin, because you know, if they were real, they'd probably burn down my like shack here. But it's okay. Don't try this in real life. Don't put like lanterns all over your house with like real fire. That's no good. Okay, just keep putting these all around. Nice. That looks good. So I got lights everywhere. Nice. I'm just gonna build, I'd say. So we build a door here, guys, and that door would be for, I'd say, my bedroom. So let's put a double door, guys. There we go. Let's make it like grand entrance. Gonna block that off here, guys. And there we go. And then I'm gonna put maybe a little kitchen area here. Nice. That's like gonna be the table. And then I could say here, that could be the washroom. And then say here, guys, this can be like another table back there. And that's looking good. I'll put like maybe I'm gonna put like a sofa somewhere, but yeah, that could be a sofa right there. So a sofa, like, you know, you can eat right here, guys. So you can come in here, you can do your cooking, and then you can also sit over there, and then you can go to your bedroom, guys. Nice. And then you have your washroom. So yeah, let's keep it nice and simple, guys. You know, it doesn't have to be very fancy. And we're gonna go outside quickly. Put that there, nice. Okay, we're outside, guys, and there's some bones I collected. Cool. Let's close that door. No spiders are gonna go inside. And I might just want to build a little fire area. So You're gonna make a little path, guys. And this path's gonna lead to a fire area. You know, just for like some like late campfires. That'd be pretty cool. So I'm just gonna get rid of that block. Okay. Nice. That's gonna do like a 3x3. I think that's good, yep. So 3 blocks. 3x3, guys. I'm gonna put the fireplace right in the middle. That's pretty cool. And I'm gonna add some block just around it to like shade the wind, you know, just to make sure the wind doesn't blow it out. Nice. And I would say that's pretty good, guys. And then we can sit right on top there, guys. And we could tell campfire stories. So anyways, there's like a nice fire pit. There's my house. And yeah, that's pretty much how to build like a basic Minecraft house, guys. And remember, it has like diamond floors, so that's pretty cool. But anyways, stay tuned for my new upcoming videos. And thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, share it with friends, and stay tuned. Peace out.